So, right, dros y dudalen, dros tudalen 2, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg. So you'll notice, yeah, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg. Wrth gwrs. Because Patagonians, they have a lovely way of speaking Welsh. Because they speak Welsh, but they have a sort of a Spanish accent in their Welsh. So they would, instead of saying dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg, they would say dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg. It's when you hit the front of the mouth, like so it's sound. You can tell Patagonians by where they pronounce their Welsh, front of the mouth. So dwi'n siarad Cymraeg, we are very deep. Cymraeg a Sbaeneg, wrth gwrs. Portiwgeeg. Rhywfaint is a little bit. Rhywfaint o Ffrangeg. A tipyn bach. O Saesneg. Saesneg. So all these are, so if these are languages end in egg, what languages are these? Russiag. Japanese. Chinese. China. Bulgareg.
Bulgaria.
Right, okay. What about Almaeneg, which we'll come into in a minute?
Albania.
German. Oh. But what about Eidaleg?
Italy.
Italian, da iawn.
Oh,
Right, yeah. Because we were talking Yr Eidal. Aberfan, wasn't it? Aberfan, yeah. Felly, o'n i cael sgwrs yn gynharach. An Italian friend of yours called Aberfan. So, yeah, felly, Eidaleg.
Aberfan.
Okay. Right, okay. Dwi'n gallu darllen. A deall. Almaeneg. Hefyd. Yeah. So we've got deall, which is to understand, and we've got darllen, which is to read, and we've got siarad, which is to speak. The only other one which we haven't got there, you do with languages, is what? Does anybody know? Yeah?
Sing,
You can canny. You can have canny, but what about?
Sgrifio.
Sgrifennu, which can be shortened to just sgrifennu. Sgrifennu, like the word script. Right? Sgrifennu. So, you can say dwi'n deall, dwi'n darllen, dwi'n siarad, dwi'n ysgrifennu. Those are the 4 skills in language, and dwi'n canu hefyd, which is especially if you can sing a language without actually speaking it. No? Okay. Right, nôl yn un atyn felly. Mae'n siŵr, pawb?
Mae'n siŵr.
Which is a condensation of my hi'n siŵr. So, mae'n siŵr. Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld. If ever you get a sentence with a wedi in it, it's behind you. Like a pantomime, behind you. So anything with a wedi has happened, okay? So if I say dwi'n byw, I'm living currently now. If I say dwi wedi byw, I have lived. It's behind me. I have it. So the wedi is the have bit. So I have lived. So dwi'n byw yn y Waun Fawr, near Caernarfon. Ond I can say dwi wedi byw yn Abertawe. Dwi wedi byw yn yr Rhyl. So dwi wedi byw, I have lived. I have, okay. So, iawn. So, dych chi wedi gweld rhai o fy ffilmiau i. Pawb? Rhai o fy ffilmiau. Ffilmiau enwog iawn fel...
Y
6 gwych. Da iawn. Eira, so eira is once again a jutting jaw thing. Eira wen? Ar 5 corach. Ar 2 fwsga terwr. Okay. Dwi'n newydd ryddhau. Fy ffilm ddiweddaraf. Indiana Jones a'r 3 mochyn bach. Ac mae llawer o bobl yn credu ei bod hi mor dda ei bod hi'n siŵr o ennill
I bod yn siŵr o ennill.
So I'm sure when you go back to your tents every evening, think about this cariad at the iaith, you're going, sitting there going, ennill, 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 ennill. Who's going to win this? Ennill, ennill, ennill. 1, 2, 3. Ennill, ennill, ennill. Iawn, okay. So, siŵr o ennill, o leiaf 1 Oscar.
O leiaf 1 Oscar.
Os nad mwy.
Os nad mwy.
So mwy is a handy phrase, like, you know, Oliver Twist. Right? We've had enough of the food. You go,
Mwy bachgen.
mwy o fwyd, or mwy o win.
Oh, yes.
Yes, more wine, right? Yeah, okay, yes. Mwy is more of something. Mwy. And actually, if you go and see a play or a band playing or anything, and people applaud, and they all go, right? So you've just seen a fantastic performance now, here. Like, there, fantastic performance. The performance come to an end. There's an encore, but still not enough. You're going, mwy. And that's what you'll hear with Welsh audiences. They will go, mwy. Let's give this a round of applause. 1, 2, 3. Mwy. Okay, there you are. And dwi ddim, if you've got a ddim in the sentence, or a dim or a ddim, it negates it. Because if you've got nothing upstairs, you are
Dim.
dim, indeed. So dim or ddim is nothing. So if you see a sign like dim parcio,
No parking.
right? Dim smuggy,
Dim smuggy.
no smoking. Dim sburial,
No rubbish.
no rubbish. Okay, so dim, anything with a dim. And so dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi. Dwi ddim wedi dod. So I haven't come here today. Dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi. Pawb? Dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi. I siarad am Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn Bach.
Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn Bach.
Na, dwi wedi dod yma
Na, dwi wedi dod yma.
I baratoi ar gyfer.
I baratoi ar gyfer.
Right. Pirate with a parrot there, well prepared, okay? Paratoi is to prepare. So I baratoi ar gyfer cyfres deledu newydd. Newydd, new, teledu, television, cyfres, series. So you've got the word order is different. Series, television, new television series. It's the total opposite, okay? Cyfres deledu newydd. Pawb?
Cyfres deledu newydd.
Ar gyfer S4C.
S4C.
Sef Anturiaethau Fflach Eirias. Mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn sy'n sôn am ymdrechion Fflach Eirias. Ein harwr ni oll.
Ein harw ni oll.
Awa iro. Ein harwr ni oll. Fflach Eirias. Ein harwr ni oll. Pawb? Ein harwr ni oll. I achub y ddear. So when you were on the river today, you were wearing a shaced achub. A life jacket, yeah. So, but it's a saving jacket in Gymraeg, okay. Bad achub, which goes out when ships are in danger. The bad achub goes out, lifeboat. It's the saving boat in Gymraeg, that's what it means. Bad achub. Achub a plant means save the children. So you see this word achub coming up time and time again. But to save the world from what? Well, rhag di Herod di Evlig. Rhag di Herod di Evlig. O ben draw'r bydysawd. Byd is world, bydysawd is universe. Bydysawd. So you want to talk about life, the universe and all that? There we are. Bywyd, bydysawd ac ati. So, bywyd, bydysawd ac ati. Gyda'r gyfres arloesol, pioneering yma, gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma, pawb?
Gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma.
Dwi ddim eisiau.
Dwi ddim eisiau.
So, I don't want dwi ddim eisiau. So you can say, dwi ddim eisiau gwyn, dwi ddim eisiau cwrw, No? No. Well, you could say it grammatically. I mean, it's grammatically possible to say that. So, dwi ddim isha. Dwi ddim isha. I don't want. Dwi ddim isha. If you want, I do want, it's just take the ddim away, and you've got dwi isha. Dwi isha. Or as Hef was asking me yesterday, you can actually say moyn instead of isha in South Wales as well.
You don't say either.
Remind me.
Because I'm thinking to ask for a drink or something like it's gai.
Guy, yeah, that's that can I have? That means can I have?
Oh, that's
Guy.
can I have.
So, so if you walk into a shop and say I want a drink, that's a bit abrupt. But you would say can I have a drink? Right. So gai is the polite way of inquiring whether you can actually do something.
So dwi ishi.
Duisha
Duisha.
is you've been a bit stroppy and you said I want this and I want this now.
Okay.
Duisha.
But it would also be appropriate to say that I would use cheap actors. So dwi isha.
Yeah, yeah, you could say, yeah, depending on the situation, the context, yeah. If you're ordering something, yeah, and you say, yeah, and I want chapatis as well. Yeah, you could say duisha, chapatis hefyd. You could say it like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, dwi ddim isha defnyddio
Defnyddio.
ryw actorion ceiniog a dimau.
Ryw actorion ceiniog a dimau.
Ceiniog a dimau means penny halfpenny. Cheap or nasty. Right, so ceiniog a dimau. We don't want some riff-raff. We don't want riff-raff for this series. Yeah. Ddim ryw actorion ceiniog a dimau. Na. Yn naturiol, dwi eisiau defnyddio actorion gorau Cymru. So what are you? You're not actorion ceiniog a dimau. You are actorion gorau Cymru. Okay, da iawn. A dyna pam dych chi yma, pawb? A dyna pam dych chi yma. So yma is here. Chi, you, plural. Chi yw'r dethol rai. Pawb? Chi yw'r dethol rai. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd. I actio. If something ends in I-O in Welsh, it's probably, usually, 99.9% of the time, a verb. Right? Filmio. Actio. Novio. Scorio. Yeah? So lots of verbs ending in io.
That's all.
Okay?
That's all I know.
Right? Yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Croeso mawr i chi. Felly, i Westy Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus. I'm glad. We've had do you know the word moethus? Have you come across it?
Luxurious.
Yes, it comes in a song.
It's a song, isn't
Nid wy'n gofyn bywyd moethus.
I'm not asking for a luxurious life. I'm asking for a pure heart. Nid wy'n right, so bywyd moethus. Air y byd na'i berlau man. Iawn, so moethus. Byddwn ni'n aros yma. So if there's a bydd in the word, it conveys the future. Now the ending may change, whether it's I will, you will, he will, she will. But if it starts off with a bydd, you know it's ahead of you. If it's got a wedi in it, it's behind you most of the time. Okay. Byddwn ni'n aros yma, pawb? Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres. Ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Tywydd yn ffantastig yma. Mae'r gwesty'n cael ei redeg. Gan deulu. Dymunol iawn. Really pleasant family. Really nice family. Okay. Let's go back to Tudalen 1. We go back to Tudalen 1 and we're going to do something slightly different with this now. I will read half the line and you finish it off. This is tennis. This is linguistic tennis. So I start off and you come in very, very quickly. Right? For instance, I will say, Shwai, and you come in with Buridar. Right? Not half a minute afterwards, but immediately. Don't think about it. Just say, so if I say, Shwai, Buridar, A bit slow there. Shwai! Iawn, okay. Mae'n flin!
David.
Bo fi'n? Fi yw Ceri Gaiman?
Jones.
Y cyfarwyddwr ffilmiau? Fel dych chi'n?
Gwybod.
Dwi'n dod o?
Patagonia.
Yn ne?
America.
Yn?
Radio.
Ond dwi'n?
Ddim byw.
Yn Abereiron?
Nawr.
Ddim yn bell o'r?
O mo.
He's not correct.
Right, da iawn. Okay, tudalen 2. Let's carry on with the tennis game. Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg? Wrth?
Gorgwrs.
Portiwgeg, rhywfaint o?
Ffrangeg.
Y tipyn bach o?
Saesneg.
Dwi'n gallu darllen na?
Deall.
A Maineg?
Hefyd.
Mae'n...
Siŵr.
Eich bod chi wedi?
Wedi gweld.
Rai o fy?
Ffilmiau.
Ffilmiau enwog iawn?
Fel.
Y 6?
6.
Ein a weddar 5?
Gola.
A'r 2?
Ffos. Gadler.
Dwi newydd fy ffilm
Diwedd.
Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn ac mae llawer o yn ei bod hi mor dda de ei bod hi'n siŵr o leiaf 1 os nad
Moi.
ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma i siarad Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn na dwi wedi dod i baratoi
Ar gyfer.
cyfres dyledu ar gyfres 4X sef Mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes
Iawn.
sy'n sôn am
Amddiffyn.
fflach
Elias.
ein harwr ni i achub y
Deiar.
rhag deherod
Diefflyg.
o bendrawr
Bydysawd.
bydysawd goes up in the S bydysawd let's do this together bydysawd you go up in your chairs when you say the S bydysawd unwaith eto bydysawd unwaith eto bydysawd iawn okay gyda'r gyfres arloesol dwi ddim eisiau
Defnyddio.
rhyw actorion ceiniog a na yn
Natural.
dwi eisiau
Defnyddio.
actorion gorau
Cymru.
a pan dych chi dyna pam dych chi
Yma.
chi yw'r dethol
Rai.
sydd wedi eich
Gwahodd.
i
Actio.
yn anturiaethau fflach
Elias.
croeso mawr i
Chi.
felly i westi
Forest.
un o westau mwyaf
Moethus.
ein
Wlad.
byddwn ni'n aros tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r
Gyfres.
ac mae'n lle
Bendigedig.
Right, na ten, par. So, na ten, sewch chi nôl i dudalen 1. So, let's do dudalen 1 down as far as anturiaethau fflach Elias. Reading it. Alternatively, one person reads one line, and then the other person reads the other line, and back and forth, yeah? So one person would read Cyflwyniad, the other person would read Shwmai, bore da. The next person reads Mae'n flin dy fi. Next one reads Bo fi'n hwyr ac yn blaen. So read it in your pairs, and make sure that you don't speak Welsh with a stiff upper lip, but use all your facial muscles, yeah? Okay, use all your facial. So, read it with your partner and give it some... Iawn, okay, so, iawn. Ffwrdd y chi, bant y chi.
Shall we go first on me? Cyflwyniad. Shwmai, bore da.
Do you want me to go first?
Go on
Cyflwyniad.
What would you like?
Siwmai, bwrdd da.
Mae ffrind y fi,
Bo fi hiwr.
fy hiw Ceri Diamond Jones.
Honest.
Honest, sorry.
Y cyffardwr y ffilmiau enwog.
Fel dych chi'n gwybod? Dawyn dod o Bagatonia.
In America.
In Rhyddiol?
Reiddiol, I know that one.
Reiddiol.
Yeah.
Yn Reiddiol.
Ond dwi'n byw
In Abereiron nhw.
Portiwgeg.
Rwyfan o Ffrangeg.
A tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Mae'n siŵr.
A eich bod chi wedi gweld
Rhai o fy ffilmiau i
ffilmiau enwog iawn fel
a 6 gwych
Eir y Wen a'r 5 Corach
a 2 fwsg a tir.
newydd ryddhau
fy ffilm diwethaf
Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn Bach
ac mae llawer o bobl
yn credu
Ai bod hi mor dda.
Ai bod hi'n sŵr o ennill,
O lleiff yn Oscar
ond dwi ddim wedi bod yma heddi.
i siarad am
Indiana Jones a Tri Mochyn Bach
na dwi wedi dod yma.
i baratoi ar gyfer.
Gyfres dyleddu newydd.
Ar gyfer S4C sef
Anturiaethau fflac
Eiriau.
Mae hi'n gyfres cyffrous iawn.
And this is number 1, is it?
You go as far as the there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, then we do the swappies. Okay, right. Right, here I go. Hang on.
Mae'n flin da fi.
Bo fi'n hwyr.
Fi o'i ceri gaiman chones.
I chyfarwyddwr. What is that? Cyfarwyddwr ffilmiau enwog.
Fel dych chi'n gwybod. Gwybod.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddo ffilmiau enwog.
Fi, fel dych chi'n gwybod,
Dwi'n bod o Patagonia
i ne America.
i wreiddio
O dwi'n byw
yn Abroen yn nawr.
ddim yn bell o'r môr.
That's what we did last time though.
in America yn wreiddiol.
Ond dwi'n byr
Yn Aberaeron nawr.
ddim in belt o mŵr.
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg.
Gwir,
Portugeg
rhywfaint o Ffrangeg.
a tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Dwi'n ei galw dachlyn llyn a delt.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Mae'n syr.
Eich bod chi wedi gweld rhai o...
Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi
I siarad am...
Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn Bach
Na, dwi wedi dod yma
i baratoi ar gyfer
cyfres dyledu newydd
ar gyfer Sianel 4 Cymraeg sydd
Anturiaethau fflach Eirias.
We'll come back to that in a minute. Right, now then, some words. Let's work a little bit on the intonation and so on. When you have yn Gymraeg, usually fel arfer, the accent falls in Welsh 99 times out of 100 on the last but one syllable. So a word like this, the emphasis falls there. Fusca terror. Ddau fusca terror. It's like as if we were glockenspiel. Go fusca terror. Fusca terror. Yeah, the same with this. This is cyf. It's like it's a fake up gov. Ar wy is a wy. Wy as in dwi'n went. Cyfarwyddwr. Cyfarwyddwr. So you can take words like fusca terror and cyfarwyddwr. You can throw your arms open when you say the accent. You can say fusca terror. Cyfarwyddwr. And you can tap, you go fusca terror. Cyfarwyddwr. Fusca terror. Cyfarwyddwr. Yeah, okay, da iawn. But if it ends in a high, it actually has a high at the end. It's a high. It's ryddhau. 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 It's like Frachelius taking off. Ryddhau. He's off to liberate the world. Ryddhau. And do you know other words which end in high?
Mwynhau.
Mwynhau, exactly. Mwynhau.
Enjoy mwynhau.
Mwynhau, or I mean, that's a posh way of saying joyo.
Joio, boio.
Joyo. So it's mwynhau. So mwynhau. And you take off on it. Mwynhau. Let's have a take off here. Can we have a take off? Let's do a ffrach Elias. Mwynhau. Unwaith eto. Mwynhau. Da iawn, am ddech, okay. Right, iawn, so now then, are there any... also,
Joio, yeah.
yn Gymraeg, The vowels in Gymraeg, the vowels. We have open vowels in Gymraeg, and the vowels, if you go through all the vowels in Welsh, it's like watching Wales playing England. It's 19 to 18. There are 3 minutes left, and England have got a scrum 5 yards out under the posts. So everybody at home is watching this, and what they're doing, watching Esperadec, of course, and they're going through all the vowel sounds whilst they're watching this tense period. Let me just... Right, so there they are. You can imagine it now. This tense moment in the rugby match. Okay, so... And then finally, to the relief, the ref blows his whistle. So they're sitting there and they're going, right, so those are all the vowels. So we got that rugby match. So let's go through them and look panicked. So for South Walians, that and that is the same.
For South Wales.
For South Walians, there is no distinction between those two sounds. It's E. If you were a North Walian, they would go E. It was an E. There we are, right? So it's an E. So North Walians would say, for instance, a sentence like, ble mai, D. Where is your house in South Wales would sound like ble ma dy di. But in North Wales, ble mai dy di. Ble mai is, it's more deep. But since we're all South Walians, we can forget that. Ble mai dy di. So once again, let's go through the vowels. So consequently, if we have verbs ending like canny to sing, so that is pronounced as canny. Remember when we were down on the Avon? What was that verb? Do you remember? Tynnu. So the verb is tynnu. So he was saying tynnwch, which is pull, but the verb is tynnu. It weighs a ton. You pull it. So this is really heavy. It weighs a ton. Okay. So we're going to pull this. We're going to go tynnu. In dau tri tynnu. Unwaith eto tynnu. Unwaith eto tynnu. Da iawn, ardderchog. Okay. Were there any other words there on those first 2 pages which you wanted pronunciation? You want to go over? The pronunciation was very good, actually. So.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Yeah, cyfarwyddwr, there we are. Cyfarwyddwr.
Oh, we've done that one.
Yeah, there were that.
Did I quote the time? Had a rest break.
Right, now, this is a good one for showing the difference in Welsh between, in all languages actually, between voiced and unvoiced consonants, because both the and the v are voiced consonants. So you say ddiweddaraf. But I'll give you a tip. You can actually leave out the ev at the end, because I'll not pronounce it, because at the end of words an ev is very often left out. Think of a word like tref, town. You go places in the Rhondda called Treharys, Treorci,
Treforest.
Yeah. So you don't, or Pentre, Ton Pentre. They don't pronounce the F at the end. So the same with this. Ddiweddara, you can forget about the F at the end if you want. Ddiweddara. And that's where the accent is. It's on the R. Ddiweddara. Let's go for bingo, shall we?
Bingo.
Right, okay. The way we play bingo, right, is this. We've got page 1 and 2, the whole of page 1 and 2, ignoring the grammar bits on the side. Just, if we take page 1 and page 2, and this is the way we play the bingo.
We've lost Larry.
Lovely stuff.
Supposed to flip the later on in the week. Iawn. Nawr ten. Bingo. Be dyn ni eisiau neud? Ydy ni eisiau neud sgwar fel hyn, okay? Okay. A be dyn ni eisiau neud? Eisiau cael 9 sgwar bach. Right, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You choose 9 gair, any 9 words, not itsy bitsy words like a and e, but proper big words like cyfarwyddwr or anturiaethau or something like that. Choose 9 words from page tudalen 1 and tudalen 2. Okay? So maybe 4 from page 1 or 5 from page 2, something like that. And put them down in a grid like this. Have you got pieces of paper or do you want any papur? I've got some spare papur.
Papur, sgwelwch chi.
We need papur.
Papur!
Papur pen.
Dyma ni. Sorry.
I could do with a little pen as well.
Right.
Ar gyfer sgwennu.
I'll give you a pan now, I think it's one minute.
A biro hefyd.
Beiro, right.
No, okay. Da iawn.
Iawn. Pwy sy'n eisiau beiro?
Da iawn.
Iawn. Eisiau beiro?
Dim problem yna te.
Crayon yma ddim.
Got a pen?
The crayon.
We're going to need a few, aren't we?
Yeah. It's more... Right, un fanna. Pwy a sydd eisiau beiro? I think give mine out this
Dwi'n
morning.
eisiau beiro bach.
Na, ie, ti'n mwy, ie, oce. Well, ni gael pedwar, dwi'n meddwl.
O, pedwar. Mwy!
Right.
Mwy!
Mwy o feiros! Mwy o feiros! Yeah.
I gotta keep this one, it's my lucky bingo pen.
Yeah, if you want to say more of something, so you say mwy o plus the plural. So mwy o feiros.
You can't mutate English words.
Some words you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No,
Well, I've just
no.
done it. Look, it's done. Deed is done. I just mutated it. Mwy o feiros. Yes. You can mutate beiros, you can mutate parrots. You can
Parrots.
Parrots, yeah, you can have, yeah. If you have 3
to me when you
parrots,
say parrots.
you say 3 parrot. Die parrot. 2 parrots.
I know him.
Yeah, right, so Dewi Llewellyn Rodriguez, more later, if she's got 2 parrots, you got Die Barrot.
Die Barrett.
Yeah.
Very messy.
You can even mutate Budgie.
Oh, hi.
Die Budgie.
The Barrett's trying to come.
No, Die Budgie. Yeah, no. The only time you would not mutate, yeah, yes, one of them, yeah. But, right, push. Come on. It depends very often on when the word was borrowed into Welsh. If it's a very, very recent borrowing, perhaps not. But things like parrot, budgie, and yeah, people. Because what people do as well is they take English words, think they are mutated, and harden them. So you've got a word like bottle in Saesneg, and people think, oh, that's a mutation. So they say, what's Welsh for bottle? Potel. And the same thing, blanket. They unmutate it and say planked. So if you say in Welsh, a bottle of pop is poteled or bop. Poteled or bop. Poteled or bop, bottle of pop. Poteled or bop. All mutation. So we unmutated bottle and then we mutated pop. So poteled or bop. So when you go to the pub to a buffin, obviously you don't drink beer or wine or anything, you can ask for a poteled or bop. Let's go look at that. Poteled or bop. Poteled or bop. Right, so okay, you need your 9 words in those. Okay, that's the first step. Now, gair. And it has to be 1, 2, 3 across and 1, 2, 3 down, otherwise it doesn't work.
Need to put words in.
Oh, yes.
Oh, you were just like, rolling the dice.
So spread the words now in between Tudalen Un and Tudalen Dau. One of the things people find when they're learning new languages, when people are speaking, they can't make out the individual words in the flow of language. So this activity is aimed at finding those words in the flow of activity, flow of language.
I'm too misty and too much.
Iawn, di pawb bron yna.
Helpless as a kitten up a tree.
Wow.
That was me on the water today.
Yeah.
I was helpless
New log.
as a kitten.
New log.
New log, was that?
Chwarae new log, playing
Bingo.
ball. Oh, bingo.
Play Misty for me.
Misty.
Chwarae new log I fi.
Yeah.
Mae hi new log.
Mae hi new log.
New log,
It's foggy o,
yeah.
Misty o. Yeah. Chwarae new log i fi.
Chwarae new log I fi.
Iawn, now then.
Nibbling.
What we're going to do with this bingo is this. I will be choosing sentences in no particular order from Tudalen Un or Tudalen Dau. Now, so you just close your text because you don't need the text. All you need to do is the bingo. So if you hear that word you've got there, you shout out that word, and I will stop with a sentence and I'll go on to another sentence. And I'll read that. And if you hear a word, shout it out. And when, so you may have a word here, you may have a word here, you may have a word here, then all of a sudden you have a word there and a word there. And once you've got that, you have the magical moment where you shout out, Llinell! Shall we try that? Yeah, okay, Llinell. So it's like in rugby, Llinell, a line. Yeah, Llinell, yeah. So Llinell is a line, and you can have a Llinell either that way, or you can have a Llinell down, or you can have a Llinell diagonal. So lots of choices where you can have a Llinell. And if you have two lines, you have dwy, not dau, because Llinell is feminine. Obvious when you think about it. So dwy Llinell. Okay, so if you happen to have two lines, dwy Llinell. In that, when you get a word, say if you get a word here, and all of a sudden you have a line that way, but you also have a line that way, you have dwy Llinell. And then, if you get the whole 9, you shout out very excitedly. Now let's T, like very excited. Yeah, T. Okay. So now then, so I will be reading this at speed. I will not be reading. I will not be reading these like doing.
You're good at speed, though, you are.
I'll be reading them at speed. So you need to listen out, all your attention on, and once you hear a word, it's really exciting. You get a chance to shout it out. Okay? So you see.
We shouted the word you said.
You shout. If you've got a word down there, and I happen to say that word in a sentence, shout out the word, and I'll stop reading the sentence. Okay, might be coming back to it later on and so on. Okay. Right. Okay. Barod.
Llygaid lawr.
Llygaid lawr. Clustiau yn agored. Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall Almaeneg.
Darllen!
Yes! Right, iawn, okay. Shmai, bore da!
Bore!
Fel dych chi'n gwybod, dwi'n dod o Patagonia yn ne America yn wreiddiol. Okay. Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld rai o fy ffilmiau. Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi I siarad am Indiana Jones a'r tri mochyn.
Supposed to shout loud.
Mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn sy'n sôn am... Gyffroes? Gyffroes!
Sorry.
Accent on the voice. Ah, okay.
Oh yeah. Did you say cyfres?
Gyffroes. No, not cover it. I said gyffroes.
Gyffroes, right.
Sorry. Gyffroes. Gyffroes.
It was a bad pronunciation.
No, sorry.
You wanted to know what really was again.
Sorry, I didn't take off. I should have gone gyffroes.
Gyffroes.
Yeah, gyffroes. Right. Gyda'r gyfres ar oesol...
Cyfres. No, cyfres.
Yeah, gyfres, I'll do. I'll take a
Okay.
mutation, yeah. Okay.
Oh, so is that the same word?
Yeah, it's just mutated, yeah.
All right.
So that's fine, yeah.
Well, oh, so I don't...
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
It's okay, you've got that, yeah. Right, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg wrth gwrs Portiwgeg, rhywfaint o Ffrangeg.
Rhywfaint.
Llinell! Right, so we've got dwy linell actually, but with different people. So you can read me out in 3 words.
Ffilmio reiddiol... What?
Was it ffilmiau, right? Right, yeah.
Oh, what did I do wrong then?
No, it's fine.
do anything
You did nothing, right? Yeah, you've got... Yeah, that's ffilmiau. Yeah, ffilmiau. That's good.
Ffilmio. I did a O instead of an I, didn't I, in the end?
It's okay, you give the verb instead of the nouns, doesn't matter, right? So ffilmiau, the other two were ffilmiau and...
Reiddiol and Ffrangeg.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Ffilmiau, reiddiol, ardderchog. Okay, good. First line of the course. Deserves a point. Da iawn, ardderchog. Now 10, Buddig.
Dachlin.
Yeah.
Raiddiol.
Yeah.
Lliaf.
Da iawn, ardderchog. I think this is a clap.
It's not a line, it's only 3 words.
Ah, you didn't have a line?
No,
Oh, right, it is. After all. But you wanted the shared experience with us. Okay. Oh, right. Well, let's go on to the next line then. Okay. Na, dwi wedi dod yma I baratoi ar gyfer... Iawn. Okay.
Gob on you.
Okay. Fel dych chi'n gwybod, dwi'n...
Llinell!
Llinell? Yeah.
Sorry.
Go on.
Mochyn, darllen yn baratoi.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Yeah, da iawn. Okay.
Is it a proper line?
Fi yw Ceri Gaiman Chones, y cyfarwyddwr ffilmiau. Da iawn.
Oh, Llinell!
Llinell! Right, okay, iawn. Right, what's the llinell you've got?
Just put my tongue back in. Reiddiol,
Yeah?
cyfarwyddwr,
Yeah, da iawn.
darllen.
Ardderchog! Right, yeah, okay. Iawn, okay.
Right now, prize.
Gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma, dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio rhyw actorion, ceiniog a dimau.
Dim.
Neb yna. Dwi newydd ryddhau... Newydd! Oh. Right, okay.
Dwi'n say ryddhau, Ian.
Yeah.
Ryddhau. Ryddhau. Dwi. Na.
Da iawn! Dwi linell! And he got the gender right. Very good. Dwy linell. So let's we hear your dwy linell and your llinell then. If you read, yeah?
Ffilmiau.
Yeah.
So I've gone to the middle, see, so I got cyfarwyddwr again.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
And ryddhau.
Ryddhau ardderchog, da iawn. Okay. Now 10. Hail Bob David.
Diolch. Cyfarwyddwr.
Yeah.
Rhywfaint.
Yeah.
Ryddau.
Ardderchog, da iawn. Okay. Now 10. Fel ydych chi'n gwybod, dwi'n dod o Patagonia neu...
Sut pobl yn?
No. Fel ydych chi'n gwybod, I said, fel ydych chi'n gwybod, dwi'n dod o Patagonia neu America yn wreiddiol, ond dwi'n byw yn Aberaeron nawr, ddim yn bell o'r môr.
Bell. Oh.
Da iawn, yeah, okay.
Ista. Llynill.
Llinell, yeah.
Ryddau.
Yeah.
reiddiol
Ia.
a bell.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Mae hi'n...
Dwy llynedd. Dwy linell.
Dwy linell.
Ie. Cyfarwyddwr,
Ia.
cyfres a bell.
Ardderchog, gwych, da iawn, da iawn. Right, nôl ni, mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn sy'n sôn am...
Iawn, did you say iawn?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Da iawn, okay, right, okay. Dwi newydd ryddhau fy ffilm ddiweddaraf Indiana Jones.
Ddiweddara. Llinell.
Right, we've got, oh, lots of them being bombarded with llinellau. Right, iawn.
Okay, cyfres
Yeah,
ddiweddaraf
iawn.
y reiddiol.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Right, pwy else has got a llinell?
Llinell.
Rhywfant, cyfres a ddiweddaraf.
Ardderchog?
Llinell. Almaeneg.
Yeah.
I didn't hear Almaeneg.
Yes, been before, yeah.
Oh, I'm off it, not there.
Mochyn.
Da iawn, okay, was anybody else with the line, llinell?
Llinell.
Yeah, i'r fon.
Reiddiol, baratoi, ddiweddaraf.
Da iawn, ddiweddaraf.
Dim llinell.
Dim llinell eto, na? Dim llinell eto? Lowri bywyd.
Hopeless.
Lowri bywyd, dim llinell.
I only got one to go.
Okay. Mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn sy'n sôn am ymdrechion fflach eirias ein harwr ni oll i achub y ddeiar rhag dihilod dieflig o ben drawr bydysawd. Nobody, okay. Right, mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld rai o fy ffilmiau enwog iawn. Iawn, Lowri, come on, you have llinell. That's all this is, right, okay.
Paratoi, enwog, ffilmiau.
Da iawn,
Enwog, ddiweddaraf, bell.
da iawn.
Iawn, enwog, mochyn.
Da iawn, a ddech chi'n ias with llinell?
Dwy llinell.
Dwy linell.
Enwog, reiddiol, cyfarwyddwr.
Ardderchog.
again.
And just in case anybody's put it down, but I haven't said it, cyflwyniad. No, nobody did that anyway. Okay, right, iawn.
I did, but I took it out.
Oh, right,
I
iawn,
thought
okay,
you would
yeah,
say
yeah,
it.
okay.
Beth le now, innit?
Mae'n flin dy fi bo fi'n hwyr.
Hoi! Dwy linell!
Dwy linell! Right, okay.
Linell newydd,
Ia.
ffilmiau môr a hwyr.
Da iawn, okay.
A enwog môr a Almaeneg a paratoi enwog ffilmiau.
Iawn.
No, because I went on the diagonal.
Okay. Right, now we must be coming closer. Anybody got un gair, one word left? Ooh, right, it's getting in.
Oh, it's going to be...
I'm going to pull my shirt over my head if I win, just to warn you.
going to run it.
Yeah.
Dwi newydd ryddhau fy ffilm ddiweddaraf Indiana Jones a'r tri mochyn bach ac mae llawer o bobl yn llawer...
Bobl!
Iawn?
Tea!
Right, ti eisiau darllen y naw nôl I fi te?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Mochyn, cyfarwyddwr, Almaeneg,
Ddiweddaraf?
ddiweddaraf, rhyddau, darllen, baratoi, newydd, bobl.
And unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to see him take his shirt over his head.
Next time.
Yeah,
Don't want to show him.
What was the one that got away? What was the one that got away?
Corach.
Dwarf. Eira Wen ar pum. Diane, Ardderchog, we'll come back to the bingo again.
That's fun,
yeah, we'll come back to that again. And now, what we'll do is we'll take some... Go through those first two pages, choose your favourite word for some reason. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be anturiaethau. It can be ddiweddaraf. Just choose a nice, big word. This is from the first two pages. Even to the bottom of page 2, I mean, you've got words like bydysawd and all kinds of things there. So let's take these nice, big words. Why use small words when there are big words available? Right, now 10. Geiriau mawr. Geiriau mawr.
Yeah.
So this will be your word. This is your special word. Eich gair arbennig chi. So who wants to kick off? Who's got
Any word you want.
any word from those first two pages?
Oh, I know what I want.
And you tell me and I'll write it down.
Oh, right.
Ddiweddaraf.
Ddiweddaraf. So Ddiweddaraf has gone. If you opted for Ddiweddaraf, you can't have it. It's gone. Wedi mynd. Ddiweddaraf. Right, was gair arall?
Bydysawd.
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 So that's it's bud. Bydysawd. The emphasis on the us.
Bydysawd.
Bydysawd. Bydysawd. Fusca terror. It's mutated from muscaterror, but fusca error.
Ymdrechion.
Oh, you can have it.
Amdrechion.
You can have it.
So I found another one already. It's okay.
Who's having Amdrechion? Have you sorted it out?
Wait.
Right, okay, Amdrechion. So once again, you see, emphasis falls on the last one syllable. Amdrechion. Amdrechion.
Baratoi.
Baratoi. Right, okay, baratoi comes from paratoi. What I will do is I will change fuscatero back to muscatero, because that's what it would be in the dictionary, and I will change baratoi back to paratoi, because that's what it would be in the dictionary. It mutates, it changes to baratoi. But the accent here is on the oi. Baratoi. Baratoi. Baratoi.
I'm pirate.
Baratoi. Yeah. Okay, right, so let's have Anturiaethau. Oh, Anturiaethau.
Oh, that's not. Adventure.
Adventures. Now, just to show you how the accent in Welsh moves, if I were to cover this up, Antur, the accent is on the ant. Antur means venture. Like a venture, like a financial venture. You have all these, like there's Antur Cwm Tower, and Antur Cwm Aman, and Antur something or other. It's from these financial ventures or something for creating jobs or something. Yeah? Antur. In the village where I live, there's an Antur Wine Fawr. It's set up for people with learning difficulties to have jobs and so on, but it's very famous, world famous. Antur Wine Fawr. Now, Anturiaeth is an adventure. Anturiaeth, the accent actually falls on the til. Anturiaeth, very regular. But if you add on the plural, it becomes Anturiaethau. So, however long the word is, you should know where to put the accent. So there, it's Antur. 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 Sounds like there's an anthill out there. Antur. Anturiaethau. Da iawn, ardderchog. Okay, let's have the two new words which we haven't had.
Cymraeg.
Cymraeg, that's great. Now, with this one with Cymraeg, as it happens, the accent falls on the end of the word because it's combined, it's Cymraeg. So Cymraeg, you take off with Welsh. Cymraeg. Yeah, okay, and the fight, who hasn't given me words? Lowry.
Portuguese.
Portuguese, da iawn. Portuguese, and you'll notice there's a little umlaut there because there's an omelette there because it's Portuguese. So the accent actually falls on that first air. Portuguese. So we've got Ddiweddaraf. Bydysawd. Muscaterror. Andrechion. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Cymraeg. Portugaeg. Ardderchog. Now then, so what we're going to do now is let's have 2 rows here seated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll have another 4 fan hyn. 1, 2, 3, 4 sat opposite each other. You don't need your files or anything. You just need your dim byd ond eich dwylo. No, I would suggest you, that's the one thing you don't need is your spectacles. You'll see in a minute. Dwylo.
Gest in dwylio dros y môr.
And hollol, dwylo. So what we need for this is we need our dwylo. Dwylo. Our hands. Llaw is 1.
Llawr.
Llaw is 1. Llaw. But do you remember when I wrote 2 lines? What was the Welsh for 2 lines? Dwy linell. So actually, dwylo is short for dwy law. So llaw. So the word dwylo means 2 hands. Or 2 hands, dwylo. But what's happened is over the centuries, dwy law, because it's been made into one word, the accent has meant that it's become dwylo. Dwylo. So dwylo means 2 hands. Dwylo. You can buy books that say dwylo ar y piano. There's a book for playing the piano. Dwylo ar y piano. Or in school, the teacher may say, right, plant, dwylo ar y desk. They all sit there like this. There we are. So if you get unruly, we'll have to say dwylo ar y desk. Dwylo allan. Dwylo mewn. Dwylo lan. Dwylo lawr. You can actually in South Wales say, instead of say allan, you can say mas. Mas. Dwylo mas. Mas mewn. Dwylo mas. Dwylo mewn. Dwylo mewn is in. Dwylo lan. Dwylo lawr. Da iawn. Now, your dwylo is what you're going to be using.
Lan is high.
Lan is up. Lan is up. Uchel is high. So lan is up. Lawr is down. Lan, lawr. That's from another word. It's from glan. So ar lan y môr, on the banks of the sea. Also, you've got Glantaf is on the banks of the river Tav. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thomas a Teddy.
Oh, thanks.
Dyna Elgan yr Elephant. Digwydd bod. This is actually Gwenda Gwnigan. It was in name before I came here, actually. And this is Mostyn y Mochyn. And they actually do have website. They have Facebooks. There's a Facebook for Mostyn y Mochyn and Thomas a Teddy, because my students in North Wales have created a Facebook for them. So felly, dyna ni, felly, right iawn. Now ten, what we are going, be dyn ni'n mynd I wneud fan hyn is, we're going to take these words in pairs. So, ar ochr yma is going to say ddiweddaraf, and you're going to throw that, as you say, ddiweddaraf, and try and coordinate to throw it on the accent. You say ddiweddaraf, 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 and when you throw back, you say bydysawd, bydysawd, bydysawd. So this is to synchronize the throwing of the animals with the stress in the words. So you've got ddiweddaraf, bydysawd, and we'll try and do it in synchrony. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, and you all throw and say ddiweddaraf, and then you throw back and say bydysawd, and we go back and forth, and you let it get its own rhythm, and then we'll swap round, and you get a chance to talk about the life of the universe and all that, and they can talk about ddiweddaraf.
Ddiweddaraf means
latest.
Diwedd end, isn't it?
Yeah, diwedd is end. If anything ends in an av, it's the superlative. Like cyntaf is the first. Olaf is the last. Ddiweddaraf is my most recent. There's a difference between last in the sense of the final one, no more to come, and there's my last, my previous.
Lastly.
Yeah, in the series. Okay, so barod? 1, 2, 3.
Ddiweddaraf, bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf, bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf, bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf, bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf,
Bydysawd.
Ddiweddaraf.
Bydysawd.
Ddiweddaraf.
Bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf. Bydysawd.
Right, swapiwch nawr bydysawd ddiweddaraf. I totally know the way classes and I like. Okay, so bydysawd.
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 Ddiweddaraf.
Bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf. Bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf. Bydysawd. Ddiweddaraf.
Bydysawd.
Ddiweddaraf. Bydysawd.
Bydysawd.
Oh, Diane, so what we'll do now is we move on to Muscaterol and Drechion. So the Muscaterol Drechion. Muscaterol Drechion. In, die, tri.
Muscatel. Drechion. Muscatel.
Drechion.
Muscatel.
Drechion.
Muscatel.
Swapiwch nawr. Muscaterol Drechion. Un, dau, tri.
Drechion. Muscatel. Drechion.
Muscaterol.
Drechion.
Muscaterol.
Drechion.
Muscaterol.
Drechion.
Muscaterol.
Drechion.
Muscaterol.
Right, nawr, nawn ni fynd ymlaen i paratoi. Accent the oi. No, better not. We just go paratoi. Paratoi. And then we go anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so ar ôl tri. Un.
What have you, sorry?
You're paratoi.
Paratoi.
Paratoi anturiaethau. Un, dau, tri.
Paratoi.
Anturiaethau.
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 Swopio! Anturiaethau paratoi. Right, okay.
Anturiaethau. Anturiaethau. Paratoi.
Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau. Paratoi. Anturiaethau.
Okay, now we go to the last pair of words, Cymraeg and Portugueg. 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 Cymraeg, accent Cymraeg. It's like, so when you sneak up on somebody and say, doing siarad Cymraeg, so the last syllable, doing siarad, that's sneaky, isn't it? Doing siarad, let's be sneaky, let's go. Doing siarad Cymraeg. Just scare people. Doing siarad Cymraeg. So turn to the people next to you, scare the living daylights out of them. Doing. So you're nonchalantly saying, doing siarad Cymraeg. Unwaith eto, let's Right, okay. Let's scare nonchalantly scare people one more time. Right, un, dau, tri. Dwi'n siarad. Right, okay. Right, now then. So we've got Cymraeg, Portugueg. So ar ôl tri, Cymraeg. So Cymraeg, if we put it over there. So Cymraeg, Portugueg. Un, dau, tri.
Cymraeg. Portugueg. Cymraeg. Portugueg. Cymraeg. Portugueg. Cymraeg. Portugueg. Cymraeg. Portugueg. Cymraeg. Portugueg.
Okay, let's swap it. Last time now. So this is the last time. So we go Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Un, dau, tri.
Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese, Cymraeg. Portuguese,
Okay, let's make a circle. Once again. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Okay, right. Now
Are we back in our original?
yeah, we're back. Yeah, back in the circle. Back in the circle. Semicircle. Back in a semicircle. Yeah, dyna ni. Iawn. Okay.
Portuguese.
Now then,
Are we meant to remember those now? After that?
you meant to what?
Would you say that we should be able to remember those after that?
Not necessarily straight away, but what will happen is, like, so, you know, they pop in again and again and again. The more, because we'll be repeating them in different ways as well. So the thing to do is, you're not trying to learn them, but just by repeating them and playing around with them. There's a lot of research showing that actually distracting people when they're learning is better. Because if you distract people, give them something else to do whilst they're learning this, it goes in better than if you say, I want you to concentrate on doing this. So, anyway, we'll see. Right, okay, now then, can you tell me what these words are? The word for this.
Kader.
Kader, but what's the name of the person sitting in it? Cyfarwyddwr. Now, in Gwesty Forest, what did they have?
Wyth chwarae.
Wyth court tennis. Wyth court tennis. What was the verb? Do you remember associated with this? This is Arian. Arian is money. The verb tally. Tally to pay. Dim tally. Dim tally. Dim Arian. Dim Arian. Oh, and what was the job? Painter is a painter, like who paints the ceilings and so on. So artist. Artist. So yeah, okay. This. If I point.
Pen.
Pens.
That's it. Computer. No, it's an architect. It's Pensire. Sire is a carpenter. Pensire is a carpenter who does things with his or her head. An architect. Pensire. This one. Cogiv. A cookist. A cook. Cogiv. Okay. What is this?
Ystafell gwely.
Ystafell gwely, da iawn. That's a...
Post y bed. Pedwar post y bed.
Yeah, gwely pedwar poster ar fechog. And then you cysgu yn y gwely ac yn y blaen. Okay, now 10. What this one? Cader. Yeah, there's just a cader normal. This one. Cader vreichiau. Da iawn. Cader vreichiau. Vreichiau. So breichiau is arms. Braich is one. Breichiau is two. It's related to the English word and Latin bracket. Brachium, bracket. So a bracket, braich. Yeah, breichiau. It's like anturiaethau. Okay, right. What is she doing? Fonio. She is also siarad. Parabli. Gwrando. Yeah, ysgrifennyddus. Ysgrifennyddus.
What receptionist?
Secretary. Or she could be a dynes fusnes.
Dynes
A
fusnes.
businesswoman.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what about this one? Bath. Not bath, but bath. A beth am hyn? Coward.
What does that mean?
Shower. And a coward is both the shower you go into, And also, if all of a sudden rain comes down, that's a coward as well. This is teledu. And what do you do with the teledu? Edrych ar or gwylio. Either will do, either will do. Now, in gwesti,
Tree bar coffee.
Tree bar coffee, my tree bar coffee yn gwesti Forest. Ac mae pedwar tŷ bwyta. Eating houses, restaurants. Pedwar tŷ bwyta. Pwllnofio! Pimp!
Oh, that was a double whammy. You damaged the pig and you swore. Unbelievable.
Right, I can't show that.
Pimp pwllnofio.
I'm so happy I had one.
Now, when you actually say five something, you say just how many people are there? Pimp. But actually, in grammatical, like, if you say five something or other, you drop the second P. You say you don't say pimp minute. You say I'll see you in 5 minutes. Pim minute. You drop off the second P. So pimp pwllnofio. And this one, who are you going to keep it? It is a campfire. And how many of them were there?
Pedwar.
Na.
Oes.
No, I think chwech campfa. Chwech campfa a sauna. Chwech campfa. Yeah, chwech campfa a sauna. Ac! Faint? Saith cinema. What was language was this?
No.
Sbaeneg. Okay. Beth am hyn? Ffrangeg. A beth am hyn? Almaeneg. Iawn, okay. Beth am hwn? Saesneg, yeah. Saesneg. Ac hwn? Portuguese. And this was back to?
Oh, I can't remember it.
Cyfarwyddwr. Say cyf. Ar. Wyddwr. An or at the end tells you it's a masculine job of some kind, but you can have this, a cyfarwydd wraig as well, whereby. Right, so you say cyfarwydd wraig would be a female director, although.
Oh, so that's where the oor come from then.
Gŵr.
Ah, I didn't know that.
Ah, that's the gurai.
Gŵr is
Yeah. Ferm or is a farm man.
What's wife, man?
Glow or.
Okay.
Glow or is what kind of a man?
Beth?
Glow or.
Miner.
Miner, a coal man, a coal miner. Glow or. So anything which ends in or is a man. Ac beth arall sy'n gyda ni, ffermwr, glowr.
Still here though.
Iawn, a wedyn mae gen i pêl-droed iwr.
Footballer.
Yeah, okay. You can't have that for a rugby player, you would have chwaraewr. But yeah, there's an or. Chwaraewr rugby.
Chwaraewr rugby.
Plays.
Chwaraewr
Chwaraewr.
is a male player or something, right? Iawn, okay, iawn, da iawn. I'm going to put these ar y llawr. Lawr ar y llawr. Lawr is down, llawr is floor. So, dyma nhw.
What's a female sports player then?
Chwaraewraig. Chwaraewraig. So if somebody is a female snooker player, chwaraewraig snooker. A male snooker player is a chwaraewr snooker. Yeah. Canwr is a male singer. Cantores is a feminine, not quite the same. Cantores.
Yeah.
So now then, with language acquisition, the first thing which happens is you learn to understand and recognise. Okay? Production comes later on. So beth ni'n mynd I wneud nawr is we're going to really just go over you recognising, adnabod y geiriau yma. So they are all mixed up in no particular order. Campfa. Camp is some kind of feat or so. Right. When Cymru, wedi ennill, had won the Grand Slam, in Welsh it's called y Gamp Lawn, the full feat, F-E-T-E. So camp, y Gamp Lawn is Grand Slam. So Camp Va, anything with a Va in it is a place. Do you know places with Vas in them? Mynedfa, a place where you go in. Allanfa, a place where you go out. Derbynfa is a reception, a place where you receive people. And sometimes it's a van as opposed to a Va.
Abrafan.
No, that's not quite the same. That's the river Afan. But the Canolfan, do you know the word Canolfan?
Centre.
Centre, yeah. So Canolfan is a centre place. So Va or van means a place. A Cylchfan is a roundabout.
Cilchfan.
Trofan is a turning point, and so on. So Va or...
Symedfa? No. Symedfa? No. It's not a word, is it? I just made it up.
There's enough words to learn without making up more.
There may be a word you've heard or seen which is sort of like that. What was it again?
Symedfa.
Idea.
No.
Symedfa. Symud is to move.
Yeah.
Moving place. To be honest with you, it could well be a bad translation of in one of these supermarkets where lorries turn round or something, you know, because sometimes they make up words and they make up rubbish words. So you could have like a place where they move stock from one place to another. Could be translated as a, instead of stock taking, they could have place for stock taking. They might have called it symudfa. Dwi'n gwybod. If it's a va or a van at the end, it is a place. So now then, so that's campva. That's a place where you perform great physical feats. Campfa. So now then, all I want you to do now, all you need to do now, you don't need to say anything. You just point your efo bis. You know the word bis? My bis Marian wedi brave. So we're going to use our bysedd. So we're going to use a bis. So when I say a word, all you need to do is point at it. Right? And things are all over the place. So if I were to say Saesneg.
Where is that?
Saesneg. If I were to say Cader. Right? And if I were to say Cader Vreichiau. Yeah, if I were to say Ffrangeg. Ffrangeg. If I were to say Almaeneg. Dyna ni. Beth am dim arian. Or dim tali. Yeah, okay. Beth am pwllnofio. Beth am pensaer. Pensaer. Right, John, okay. Beth am cyfarwyddwr. Cyfarwyddwr, dyna ni, cyfarwyddwr, okay. Beth am tŷ bwyta.
Tŷ bwyta.
Tŷ bwyta, dyna fe, tŷ bwyta.
Is it never the other way around?
Right.
Bwyty.
No. Yeah, you can have that as well, bwyty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, a food place. Artist.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, artist, yeah, okay. Gwely. Gwely. There's a song you might use if you've got small children. Gwely, gwely, hen blant bach. Gwely, gwely, hen blant bach. Dimme, 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 hen blant bach. Dimme, 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 hen blant bach. So gwely. Right. Cwrt tennis. Iawn. Cogydd. Yeah, cogydd, yeah. Portugueg.
Obrigado.
Right, okay. Campfa. Iawn, ac... Bar coffi.
What is it then?
At the top fan hyn. Cawod! Cawod. Beth arall sydd gyda ni? Neu fi gael siarad ar y ffôn. Iawn, okay. Beth am ni gael Saesneg. Saesneg, iawn, da iawn. Beth am ni gael Sbaeneg. Iawn. Sbaeneg fan hyn. Right, dyna ni, felly. So, right, okay. Beth am ni droi'r rhain... Just have a look at these for a second. Just quick look at them. Ac rwan, be dwi'n mynd i wneud? Yeah.
Cadair is a chair then, is it?
Cadair is a chair, yeah.
But I pronounced it wrong, am I?
No, it depends how correct your pronunciation is. The thing with Welsh is because the accent is so strong, when you have diphthongs like I in the last part of a word, and the accent falls strongly prior to that, it simplifies into a single vowel. Therefore, Cadair becomes Cader, Cader Idris.
So Cadair is not the right way to say it then?
It's what you said.
Well, the language is evolving all the time. People who were brought up in Welsh-speaking homes would have said Cader. They would have said Llyged. They would have said David. Right? But so many children now go to Welsh medium schools, so non-speaking homes, that the language is changing, very much like English is changing. The same percentage of children come from non-speaking homes go to Welsh medium schools as there are people speaking English who don't speak English at home. Yeah. Global English is developing, which is very different from normal English. So what's happening, years ago, nobody would have pronounced Cadair as Cadair. Not naturally. They would have if they were reading off a text that was like, Queen's Welsh almost like, but it was written text based, and they would have said Cadair. But now you've got children coming out of Welsh medium schools who are actually saying Cadair. So the language is evolving. So if you say Cadair and you're happy with Cadair, then use it. But if you hear people using Cadair, that's why. It's because they've probably been brought up in a Welsh medium home. Yeah? Okay.
That's just what I learned at school.
Yeah. Well, the problem is, you see, when you learn any language, people tend to teach you what it sounds like what it looks like on paper as opposed to what it sounds. Because if you were learning Sbaeneg or Ffrangeg or whatever, the kind of Ffrangeg you learn in school, you go out to France and half the consonants and vowels you don't use, they just go, So you're given a standard, like the Académie Française is bananas if the French language deteriorates, and people say le weekend and so on, So there's always a discrepancy between written language and spoken language, but it changes all the time. So what is accepted one generation, the next generation changes. For instance, my grandmother's generation would have said ice cream. My mother and my generation down said Hiven ya. My mother's generation said chips. I found sglodion a bit iffy as a word, but my children use sglodion quite naturally. So that things change. So it's like in English, the meaning of words change. And as I've been talking here, I've been distracting you. So I'm now going to ask you, if I'm going to point at something, you've got to hazard a guess what's behind on the other side. Deud yn Gymraeg. Can you? And I'll sneak and I'll have a look. So you can tell me what you think these words are. So what's basic?
Teledu.
Da iawn! Oh! Right now, te. Beth sy'n fan hyn?
Oh yeah,
Siarad ar y ffôn?
No, it's not.
Siarad ar y ffôn? Iawn, okay.
He's awake now.
Right, so, beth ydych chi'n meddwl sy'n fan hyn?
Cawod, is that true?
Na, ddim cawod.
Is this one of the places you can eat?
Na.
It's not Dim Tally.
The cafe.
Na.
Didn't pay one. It's
Na.
Dim Tally.
Dim tally. Do you want to go to another one? You choose what to point at.
That one's cyfaddwyr, is it?
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr?
Cyfarwyddwr.
Na.
Oh, that one's cyfarwyddwr.
No, the stools are over there. That's it.
Right.
Oh, he's like moved them.
That's the pen.
That's Cogydd.
Cogydd.
And that's Pensair.
Pensair. Pensair Cogydd. Right, okay.
Yeah, that's Camphor.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Camphor.
That's the camphor.
Nofio.
No,
Nofio was a prayer.
Camphor.
Campfa.
That's what I was saying. Nofio.
Pwrs nofio?
No.
Push Novio.
Pwrs nofio?
Nofio, yeah.
Cadair.
Brachiau.
Pwrs nofio?
Cadair.
Cadair Freichiau? Iawn, Cadair Freichiau.
Is this dude?
Almaeneg. So, Almaen ydi Germany, Almaen, and Almaeneg is the language.
We were doing something, I said, look,
That didn't tell you.
German.
Oh, he's the picture artist.
Artist, da iawn.
Da iawn.
So that was that Dim Tally?
Teledau.
Na.
Dim Tally. That's Dim Tally.
Yes, Dim Tally there.
Dim tally. Yeah, dim tally.
That's just normal chef.
Are you kneeling on coward?
Na.
Are you, is that coward? What?
But is it the director's chair?
I asked that.
yeah, that's what that is.
I asked that though.
Was it that one next to
That one by your knee, is that coward?
No, that's Bath.
Bath.
That's Bath.
Coward's by the other knee.
That's Coward.
Na.
Next to that. Next to it.
Benny hon.
So was that
That's
Coward.
And then the one is
Portuguese.
A coffee shop, a coffee. Nessa. Coffee shop.
And then Thanig.
yeah, then Flag.
Shop coffee.
Bar coffee.
Bar coffee.
Three bar coffee.
Pedair T Boiter.
Right.
Penalty boiter, da iawn.
Da iawn.
Thanig.
Frannig.
Da iawn. Ffrangeg.
Saesneg was up there, wasn't it?
I'm a Saesneg. Well done.
Well, you're very good at this stuff.
Saesneg. Iawn.
So that's got to be cyfaddwyr.
Oh yes, that's the chair.
Yeah, well, I'm not trying to do say properly. Come on, so let's
No, cyfaddwyr.
Da iawn. Cyfarwyddwr. Da iawn. Cyfarwyddwr. Cader y cyfarwyddwr.
Cader cyfarwydd.
What's that one then?
And Cader, just the ordinary one?
Da iawn. Right, beth sydd fan hyn?
Court tennis.
Tennis.
Oh yeah.
What's missing?
Yeah, yeah.
Right now, Saith Cinema.
Oh yeah.
Pain. Ar y chwith, ar y dde, yn y canol.
Lady.
Am y canol.
Ar y chwith.
Ar y chwith.
Ar y chwith.
Canol.
Chwith canol dde.
No, don't show us, you look at it.
Canol.
Cinema.
Na.
Canol.
Canol.
Top middle or bottom?
Cinema.
So what's missing then?
Canol is middle. So you've got chwith left, dde right, canol is middle. So we've got dau ar ôl, un, dau.
There.
Sbaeneg!
Yes, well done.
So beth sydd ar ôl?
Yes, you know. Do.
Give us a clue.
Clue bar.
Clue bach.
Y buddig. Pan oedd
Is it
ni...
transvestite?
Pan oedd Nia yn gwneud y gyngerdd heddiw, iawn,
Oedd Bifig.
O, pedwar, ystafell gwely.
Da iawn! Hey, ardderchog, great. Da iawn. Da iawn. Ardderchog. Da iawn.
Inverted fit.
Ardderchog. Well, be dwi'n mynd i wneud nawr ydy, I've got some freebies for you. And we're going to try and sort out that punch. Owen is on the hunt for a proper punch which actually works, okay? Achos, when you said we go to kids' parties, yeah, you can't leave a kids' party without goodie bags, can you? So nawr ydy'r amser ar gyfer goodie bags. Ac mae goodie bags gyda fi fan hyn. Yn rhywle. Right.
Harry Cruz.
O, dyma punch newydd.
Oh, right, mae wedi cyrraedd. Gwych. Well, you can put these in when I give you these now. So, now,
Well, the punch was on its way. The holy punch.
Interesting what you say.
What are you using there? Unless he jumps on you and punches you in the middle of water.
Mae yna dwy set fan hyn o fel word searches. Fan hyn. Right, now ten. Mae geirfa, which is vocabulary, geirfa cyflwyniad fflach eirias. So this is actually words, geirfa, geiriau which have come up in the first part of the text we've done today, the cyflwyniad, well held there, with grace. Felly, dyma ni, yeah. So these are geirfa. So if I go over with you the first 25 here in this worksheet 6, and you can match them up, you can do the rest yourself because it's the same words, okay? So, os gan bawb feiro, no?
Oh, here we are.
Where did I put the Bible then?
There's one, Han.
Oh, that was the one I borrowed, I think, was it?
Now ten, okay. So, what it is, we've got 25 gair Cymraeg, and then we've got the translation, 25 ohonyn nhw. So you've got the numbers 1 I 25, and then you've got the Saesneg, the letters are there, and what you can do is just either, it gets a bit messy if you draw lines actually, so it's easier to write the letter in there. So Sbaeneg, rhif 1, is which letter down there is it?
C.
C, which is Spanish. Croeso, rhif 2 is? N is welcome. Quantum?
Quantum V.
Quantum is?
V.
V. Yeah? Okay, quantum. Classirol?
T.
T. Classical. Seren?
L.
L. Bydysawd?
G.
Yeah, G, universe. Gwyddonydd?
No idea.
Remember now, Iwan was a Gwyddonydd. He had a PhD in physics quantum. So he is a
J. Scientist.
J. He's a scientist. J. Okay. Gwyddonydd. Cymraeg, 8 is H. Now Saesneg is D. Enwog, rhif 10 is E. Famous. Gwesti. W. Hotel.
Hotel Gwesti.
Yeah. Teledu.
Famous one.
I. Allweddi.
U.
Key.
Yeah. U. Keys.
Key, is it?
Key. Allweddi is key, and allweddi is keys.
Wedi.
Well, didn't he? Da iawn.
Myrluniau. Myrluniau.
The keys in my hand, isn't it?
Right, murluniau.
Myrluniau.
Yeah, that's quite similar to the English.
Mural.
Murals.
Q.
Murals. Okay. Right, ystafell.
S.
S.
Right, S is Rome. Teulu.
Family.
Family. Right, so that's R. Dymunol.
Oh God, what's that?
Is it? No, is it?
Why? Dangerous?
No.
No.
O.
Pleasant. Yay.
Pleasant.
Pleasant. Teulu Dymunol iawn, a very pleasant family. Pianydd.
K.
Okay.
Okay. Peryglus.
Dangerous.
Why?
Dangerous. That's why, yeah. Gorau.
F.
F.
F. Best.
Best.
Moethus.
P.
P. Luxurious. Cogydd.
M.
M.
Yep.
Chef. Cyfarwyddo.
A.
A. Flach.
X.
X.
X. And Ffrangeg. Yeah. So all these others now, they use the same vocabulary but with different word searches that can apply. Okay, so you can actually do those in the comfort of your own pabell or whatever. Now I've got un set arall.
You've got to like
Oh, I'm struggling.
stuff like that.
Okay, this is the verbs. Berfau. Berfau. Okay?
Yeah.
Croeso.
Ding 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 dong.
Right, okay.
Gwaith cartref.
Gwaith, yeah, well, you can do it if you've got a spare minute. There's no such thing as gwaith carter, but some people like to, they've got a minute, they just like something to do. So, maen nhw'n rhywbeth i wneud, ydych chi'n gallu... People learn in different ways. And it's not up to us as teachers to say you have to learn in a certain way. Some people actually assimilate language very much by doing things like this. Yeah, okay. So let's do, we've got... there are two sets. We'll just do the first one, okay? Because there are actually two sets of verbs van hyn. So if we do the first set, okay? We've got redeg, paratoi, ennill, siarad, edrych, gweld, and so on. So let's have a look at these. Column E, we've got redeg.
Run.
To run. So that's R, okay. Paratoi.
To prepare. F.
Prepare.
Thank you.
Prepare. Ennill.
I.
To win.
I to win. Siarad.
Speak.
To speak, that's Q. Edrych.
To look.
To look. Gweld.
Where is it? Where is to look? I can't see
Oh,
it.
well,
G.
G. Now, gweld is to see, so it's S. Ffilmio.
B.
B. Chwarae.
D.
D. Darllen.
A.
Read.
Helpu.
J.
J. Deall.
C.
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 C, understand. Ishe.
K.
To want.
What? Peintio.
H.
To paint. H. Nôl.
No.
Is actually, to fetch is N. Dweud.
To say.
To say. Gweithio.
E.
To work.
To work, so that's E. Credu.
M.
M. To believe. Tally.
P.
P.
P to pay. And novio.
To swim. So
Swim.
L.
L. Dyna ni? Iawn. Okay, so cyn i chi fynd,
I was thinking credo.
so we're gonna...
You knew something there.
Oh, sorry. Ready is to run.
What does redeg is to run?
Cyn i chi fynd, we are gonna have a whiteboard here. Iawn? Right, put your scripts away. Dim script o gwbl. Now then, dim scripts. Dim scripts o gwbl. This is a final end to this lesson. Okay, so they just cau pen y mwdl, close things up at the end of this lesson. Bwrdd gwyn gwag. It's empty. It's looking very lonely, unig. And we don't like our whiteboards to be lonely. So we want to put lots of Welsh words on them. It upsets them not to have Welsh words on them. So you're going to help now by shouting out any Welsh words which come into your head from what we've been doing. Iawn!
Gweithio.
Gweithio. So just let it come out. Don't even think about it.
Nofio.
Nofio.
Muscatero.
Muscatero.
Cyfarwyddwr, is it?
Cyfarwyddwr. It's feeling much less lonely already. Paratoi. Paratoi. Cyfarwyddwr. Oh, it's much happier. We got a happier whiteboard. Wreiddiol. Da iawn yn wreiddiol.
Credu.
Credu, to believe.
Believe. Cyfres.
Cyfres. A series. Pensaer.
Cymraeg.
Cymraeg.
Chwarae.
Chwarae.
Gwaed.
What was that thing?
Chwarae. Gwaed.
What was the
No.
one
Gwaed.
doing the thing?
Like a lady player.
A chwarae wraig. Da iawn. Ardderchog. Chwarae wraig. Da iawn.
Did that have to be
Moron.
Moron.
Sglodion. Sklods.
Sglodion.
Ystafell.
Ystafell.
Ardderchog.
Ardderchog. Oh.
Maybe one was a good one.
Syniad.
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 Portiwgeeg.
Portiwgeeg. Da iawn. Portiwgeeg. Campfa.
Teledu.
Teledu.
Ennill.
Ennill.
Mwy.
Mwy. It's a mwy o eiriau.
Carpenter.
Pensaer. We got Pensaer.
is the architect.
Architect.
Because she's the
Pensire.
Cyntaf.
Cyntaf. Oh, there's too many white spaces there. It's still a bit. Pwllnofio.
Ddigwyddiadw. Was it? Something I guess? What was it?
cyfar.
The latest.
Ddiweddaraf.
Ddiweddara.
Ddiweddaraf.
Diweddaraf.
Diweddaraf.
Mochen.
Mochen.
Canolfan Dref.
Canolfan, yeah, Canolfan. Well, Canolfan is a centre in the sense of a sports centre. If you say the town centre is Canolfan.
Tally.
Tally.
Arian.
Arian.
Afel.
Westi.
Afel.
Aval.
Westi.
Gwesti. What kind of a gwesti is it?
Hotel.
Moethus.
Pimp Seren.
Pimp Seren. Da iawn. Pimp Seren. And as I said, you don't put a P. Pimp Seren, iawn.
Cogydd.
Cogydd.
Wlyb.
Wlyb. Da iawn. Yn wlyb.
Niwlog.
Sir.
Niwlog.
Niwlog.
Heiliog.
Heilog. Da iawn.
Heiliog. What is Heiliog? Stemmer?
Sunny.
Sunny.
If it's an og, it's an E. Like Gwintog was when the tents were flapping because it was Gwintog.
Okay.
Coward. Oh, get that. Coward. Did we have coward?
Coward.
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 Bath.
Gweithio.
Almaen.
Almaen. Almaeneg.
Almaeneg. Sbaeneg.
Mochyn.
Sbaeneg. We got Mochen.
Sorry.
Teledu.
Teledu, we got Teledu.
Gweithio.
Aran.
Gweithio, I think we got Gweithio.
Gweithio.
Arian. We got
Arian, we got Arian.
Bendigedig.
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 Cogydd.
Cogydd, we got Cogydd.
Where have I been?
Come on down.
Pensionals.
That was so 5 minutes ago.
Sauna.
Gweld. Sauna.
Same.
Right, okay, sauna.
Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr. Well, on that note then, on that note, we will sing our way out of this class, right? The children sing this song is a Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud, Hwyl, yeah, you can say farewell, oh yeah, farewell, Hwyl fawr, mae'n amser dweud farewell, yeah, and then tŵr y rwla. Some songs say ffwrdd but you can say bantani, tŵr y rwla, bantani, mae'n amser dweud. We stick to the Hwyl fawr. So it goes, right, so you can have tears in your eyes if you want, okay, on camera, okay. So, Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr, tŵr y rwla bantani, tŵr y rwla bantani, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr. So I don't know what the routine is heno, but there's a live program heno, isn't there? So
You're on a break now.
yeah, you're on a break. On a break! Right, dyna ni. Iawn. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr. Jo, greit.
Bloody standing on that. You've stopped arguing with me.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
On behalf of my fathers and my forefathers.
Right. Yeah, croeso. Iawn.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Yeah, croeso. If you have a chance tonight, just read through the script once through, very lightly.
Why Welsh or English?
Read through the Welsh. You can have the English next to you if you want. Yeah, just read through it because it's that constant drip, 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 which means that bits here, there, without trying, then pop out. Because the important thing.
Read it out loud.
You don't have to read it out loud. You can if you want, but if you just want to read it quietly to yourself. But it's the skimming. It's the light skimming before you go to sleep, which means that those little ants go into your filter in your brain.
It's all there. It's all there.
Da iawn, diolch yn fawr iawn. Iawn. They won't let you.
All in it.
Right, yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Right, ffilmio, actio, nofio, sgorio. Yeah, so lots of verbs ending in io.
That's all.
Okay.
It's all in it.
Right, yn anturiaethau fflach eirias. Croeso mawr i chi.
Croeso mawr i chi.
Felly, i Westy Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus. I'm glad. We've had do you know the word moethus? Have you come across it in the song?
Luxurious.
Yes, it comes in the song.
It's a song, isn't
Nid
it?
yw'n gofyn bywyd moethus.
I'm not asking for a luxurious life. I'm asking for a pure heart. Nid yw'n right, so bywyd moethus. Air y byd neu berlau man. Iawn, so moethus. Byddwn ni'n aros yma. O bendrawr. Bydysawd. Goes up in the S. Bydysawd. Let's do this together. Bydysawd. You go up in your chairs when you say the S. Bydysawd. Unwaith eto. Bydysawd. Unwaith eto. Bydysawd. Iawn. Okay, gyda'r gyfres arloesol. Dwi ddim eisiau rhyw actorion ceiniog a? Na, yn. Dwi eisiau actorion gorau. A pan dych chi, dyna pam dych chi? Chi yw'r dethol sydd wedi eich
Gwahodd.
i yn anturiaethau fflach
Eirias.
Croeso mawr i chi. Felly i Westy. Un o westau mwyaf. Ein. Byddwn ni'n aros. Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r
Gyfres.
ac mae'n lle.
Bendigedig.
Right, na ten, par. So, na ten, sewch chi nôl i dudalen 1. So, your facial muscles, yeah? Okay, use all your facial. So, read it with your partner and give it some... Right. Iawn, okay, so, iawn. Ffwrdd y chi, bant y chi.
Shall we go first, Tommy? Shwmai, bore da.
Do you want me to go first?
Go on then.
Cyfrwniad.
Siwmai, bore da.
Mae ffrind y fi,
O fi hiw.
fy hiw Kerry Diamond Jones.
Honest.
Honest, sorry.
Y cyffardwr y ffilmiau enwog.
Fel dych chi'n gwybod? Dawn dod o Bagatonia.
Yn America.
In Rhyddiol.
Reiddiol, I know that one.
Reiddiol.
Yeah.
Yn Reiddiol.
Ond dwi'n byw
In Abereron nhw.
Portugeg.
Rwyfant o Ffrangeg.
A tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Mae'n siŵr.
A eich bod chi wedi gweld
Rhai o fy ffilmiau i
ffilmiau enwog iawn fel
a 6 gwych
Eir y Wen a'r 5 Corach.
a 2 fwscatir.
Dwi newydd ryddhau
Fy ffilm diwethaf
Indiana Jones a'r 3 Mochyn Bach
ac mae llawer o bobl
yn credu.
Ai bod hi mor dda.
Ai bod hi'n sŵr o ennill,
O lleith yn Oscar
ond dwi ddim wedi bod yma heddi.
i siarad am
Indiana Jones a 3 Mochyn Bach
na dwi wedi dod yma.
i baratoi ar gyfer.
Gyfres dyleddu newydd.
Ar gyfer S4C sef
Anturiaethau fflac eirias.
Eiriau.
Mae hi'n gyfres cyffroes iawn.
And this is number 1, is it?
You go as far as there.
Oh, okay.
Well, then we do the swappies. Okay, right. Right, here I go. Hang on.
Cyflwyniad.
Siamai, bod y da.
Mae'n flin da fi.
Bo fi'n hwyr.
Fi o'i ceri gaiman chones.
I chyfarwyddwr. What is that?
I don't know. Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr. Ffilmiau enwog.
Fel dych chi'n gwybod. Gwybod.
Cyfarwyddo.
Ffilmiau enwog.
Fi, fel dych chi'n gwybod,
Dwi'n bod o Patagonia
i ne America.
i fod yn wreiddiol
O dwi'n byw,
yn Abroen yn nawr.
ddim yn bell o'r môr.
That's what we did last time though.
In the America, yn wreiddiol. Ond dwi'n byr yn Aberaeron nawr. Ddim in belt o mŵr. Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg.
Gwir.
Portugeg. Rwyfain o Ffrangeg.
A tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Dwi'n ei galw llyn a delll.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Mae'n syr.
Eich wrth chi wedi gweld rhai o...
Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi
I siarad am...
Indiana Jones a'r tri mochyn bach.
Na, dwi wedi dod yma
I baratoi ar gyfer...
cyfres dyledu newydd
Ar gyfer Sianel 4 Cymraeg sydd...
Anturiaethau ffalach. Eirias.
We'll stop there. We'll come back to that in a minute. Right, now then, some words. Let's work a little bit on the intonation and so on. When you have yn Gymraeg, usually fel arfer cop gyf ar wy is a wy. Wy as in dwi'n wen. Cyfarwyddwr. Cyfarwyddwr. So you can take words like fwsga terror and cyfarwyddwr. You can throw your arms open when you say the accent. You can say fwsga terror. Cyfarwyddwr. And you can tap and go fwsga terror. Cyfarwyddwr. Fwsga terror. Cyfarwyddwr. Iawn, okay, da iawn. But if it ends in a high, it actually has a high at the end. It's a high. It's ryddhau. 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 It's like Frachelius taking off. Ryddhau. He's off to liberate the world. Ryddhau. And do you know other words which end in high?
Mwynhau.
Mwynhau, exactly. Mwynhau.
Enjoy mwynhau.
Mwynhau, or I mean, that's a posh way of saying joyo.
Joio, boio.
Joyo. So it's mwynhau. So mwynhau. And you take off on it. Mwynhau. Let's have a take off here. Can we have a take off? Let's do a ffrach Elias. Mwynhau. Unwaith eto. Mwynhau. Da iawn, am ddech, okay. Right, iawn, so now are there any... also, yn Gymraeg... Let me just... Right, so there they are. You can imagine it now. This tense moment in the rugby match. Okay, so... And then finally, to the relief, the ref blows his whistle. So they're sitting there and they're going, right, so those are all the vowels. So we got that rugby match. So let's go through them and look panicked. So for South Walians, that and that is the same.
For South Walians.
For South Walians, there is no distinction between those two sounds. It's E. If you were accent, it's on the R. Ddiweddara. 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 Da iawn. Any other words?
Cyntaf.
Cyntaf.
That got your attention.
Well, they can't show that now, can they?
And with this, once again, you can leave out the F at the end, okay? Cynta.
Cynta.
Cynta, right? Cynta. The first, cynta. Cynta, da iawn. Any other words? There's a fan there if you want. Any other words? Right, if not, let's go for bingo, shall we?
Bingo.
Bingo. Right. Right, okay, barod. Barod.
Llygaid lawr.
Llygaid lawr, clustia yn agored. Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall Almaeneg. Yes! Right, iawn, okay. Shmai, bore da!
Bore!
Fel dych chi'n gwybod, dwi'n dod o Patagonia yn Ne America yn wreiddiol. Iawn. Okay. Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld rai o fy ffilmiau. Right, ffilmio, actio, nofio, sgorio. Yeah. So lots of verbs ending in io.
That's all.
Okay.
That's all I know.
Right. Yn anturiaethau fflach eirias.
Anturiaethau fflach eirias.
Croeso mawr i chi.
Croeso mawr i chi.
Felly, i Westy Forest. Un o westau mwyaf moethus. I'm glad. We've had do you know the word moethus? Have you come across it?
Luxurious.
Yes, it comes in a song.
It's a song, isn't
Nid
it?
dwi'n gofyn bywyd moethus
I'm not asking for a luxurious life. I'm asking for a pure heart. Nid dwi'n right, so bywyd moethus. Air y byd neu berlau man. Iawn, so moethus. Byddwn ni'n aros yma. Aiman Chones, y cyfarwyddwr ffilmiau. Da iawn.
O, llinell!
Right, what's the llinell you've got?
Tongue back in. Wreiddiol,
Yeah?
cyfarwyddwr,
Yeah, da iawn.
darllen.
Arddecho! Right, yeah, okay. Iawn, okay.
Right now, prize.
Gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma, dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio pa fy ffilm ddiweddaraf Indiana Jones a'r Tri Mochyn Bach, ac mae llawer o bobl yn...
Bobl!
Iawn?
Ti!
Right, ti eisiau darllen y naw nôl i fi te?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Mochyn.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr. Almaeneg.
Ddiweddaraf?
Ddiweddaraf. Rhyddau. Darllen. Baratoi. Newydd. Bobl.
Arddecho! Yn anffodus, we didn't get a chance to see him take his shirt over his head.
Next time.
Yeah, felly.
Don't want to show him.
What was the one that got away?
Corach.
Dwarf. Eira Wen ar 5. Diane, Arddecho, we'll come back to the bingo again.
That's fun,
yeah, we'll come back to Thomas and Teddy, because my students in North Wales have created a Facebook film. So, felly, dyna ni, felly, right iawn. Right, now, Ted, what we are going, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud fan hyn is, we're going to take these words in pairs. So, ar ochr yma, is good. Now, we go to the last pair of words, Cymraeg and Portiwgeeg. Portiwgeeg. Cymraeg, accent yn Gymraeg. It's like, so when you sneak up on somebody and say, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg, so the last syllable, dwi'n siarad, that's sneaky, isn't it? Dwi'n siarad, let's be sneaky, let's go. Dwi'n siarad. Bracket, braich. Yeah, breichiau. Breichiau. It's like anturiaethau. Okay, right. What is she doing? Fonio. She is also siarad. Sometimes it's a van as opposed to a va.
Abrafan.
No, that's not quite the same. That's the river Afan. But the canolfan. Canolfan, do you know the word canolfan?
Leisure centre.
Yeah. Cadeirydd is a chair then, is it?
Cadeirydd is a chair, yeah.
But I pronounced it wrong, am I?
No, it depends how correct your pronunciation is.
Oedd bifig.
O, pedwar, ystafell gwely.
Da iawn! Hey, ardderchog, great. Da iawn, da iawn. Ardderchog, da iawn.
Inverted
Ardderchog, ardderchog. Wel, be dwi'n mynd i wneud nawr? Right, okay, so na.
Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr. Well, on that note then. Sing our way out of this class. You go, right, so right, you can have tears in your eyes if you want, okay, on camera, okay. So, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr, twrw a bantani, 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 twrw a bantani, mae'n amser dweud